guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is a different type of video that I'm doing. I just want to show you some quick voluminous beachy waves. This here is just some sun-kissed tousled waves using 3 products, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for the tutorial here. I hope you guys liked that video. Stay tuned for more videos like that. Hopefully a lookbook coming your way soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.